How to find privacy checkup on your Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find privacy checkup on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook. And now go to your privacy by click on those three lines up there. And click on the setting icon up there beside the search icon. And here you have your account information and you have privacy checkup. Click on it to review of your important privacy and security settings. And here they're gonna give you who can see what you share or how to keep your account secure, anything you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.